Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to create a digital planner with Copy.ai. So first things first, you have to go to Copy.ai and then create an account right here. You can create an account using your Google account, just connect it, or you can create an account using your email address and then password. What you're going to do before you use Copy AI, you must decide what kind of planner. Is it daily? Is it weekly? Goal setting, wellness, financial, content. Who is it for? Students, mom, entrepreneurs. What pages will it include? To-do list, habit trackers, meal planners, or everything is up to you. Is it minimalist daily productivity planner for busy entrepreneurs? Everything is up to you. So you must know what type of daily planner you should do. Now here, once you have decided already, then you have to go to Copy.ai and then you have to click on the create new right here and look for the chat option. Tap on chat option. Now, here on the chat option, you have to scroll down and go specifically to this empty box right here where you can add any prompt you want. So basically, we're going to type a prompt right here that is related to digital planner. So you can copy this one or you can create your own. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to ask Copy.ai to create content for a 7-day self-care digital planner. But of course, everything is up to you if you want to replace this one. Include daily journal prompts, self-care tips, and quotes for each day. Then you can add more prompt to this if you want, like friendly way or everything is up to you. Then once done, tap on this or press enter. Wait as it is processing. After that, then Copy AI will show you this one, 7-day self-care digital planner. So day 1, reflect and reset. Day 2, mindful moments. Day 3, nourish your soul. Day 4, creativity flow. 5, 6, and 7. Now, step 3, you have to generate the written content for each page. So obviously, you need to break down the planner into sections. For example, write a motivational quote and 3 journaling prompts for day 1 of a productivity planner. So I'm going to show you what is that. Now write a motivational quote. This one, what I mentioned earlier. Press enter. Wait as it is processing. Now here's the result. Okay, so as you can see, here it is, motivational quote and journaling prompts. So what are the top 3 tasks you want to accomplish today and why are they important to you? You can also add this prompt. For example, create a weekly reflection page for a digital planner. Include 3 questions to evaluate productivity and 2 planning prompts. But actually, this one is optional. Everything is up to you. I just want to include this. Wait for a couple of seconds. Now, you can also use Copy AI to generate chat, for example, section headings, page intros, and prompts, quotes, or affirmations. So everything is up to you. Once done, you can now go to step 4, which is organize everything in a document. So all you have to do is to copy this, all of this, table contents, 1 section page per planner entry, and so on. Paste it in the Word or anywhere, any document you want. And then for step number 5, you have to design the planner. So basically, I strongly recommend Canva, to use Canva. Okay, so you just have to create an account right here, open Canva, and then search for daily planner or daily digital planner. Everything is up to you. Now you can also add this daily. So go to Canva and then type this one, press enter. Then you will see here templates for a digital planner, and all you have to do is to select one. Make sure that if you're using the basic, there's no pro icon right here. For example, this one, customize this template. And then what you're going to do here is you just have to simply copy and paste your Copy AI generated content into each page right here. Add visual icons, dividers, boxes, pastel colors, and then as a tip, you can just basically, copy and paste each, and then after that, you can now tap on share, and then make sure it's PDF, and then download. For example, this one. Okay, you just have to copy each, and then put it on your Canva. So you have to do it all over right here. You can add more. Basically, you must base on your generated daily planner here from Copy.ai and then paste it on your Canva. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.